So here I have about 20 pieces of drums and flats. And I went ahead and washed my chicken wings about 3 times, and the third time I used some vinegar to wash it. Then I went ahead and dry my chicken wing with some paper towel, because that's very important. You want to go ahead and dry your chicken wing. So here I'm gonna go ahead and start with some vegetable cooking oil. Gonna go ahead and add that. Up next, I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. If you don't have this, you can go ahead and use some adobo or some Old Bay seasoning. All right, just use your favorite powder seasoning. Some garlic powder. Have some onion powder here. I'm gonna go ahead and add that as well. Baking powder, guys. This is gonna give the wing that crunch, that crispiness to it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that. And then some paprika all over it. So when I combine everything together, every pieces of wing will be covered with all the seasoning. All right. And then I have some cayenne pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and add that. Alright, so up next I have some cornstarch. I'm gonna go ahead and add about a tablespoon of cornstarch. Alright, here I'm gonna add some salt, not too much. Alright, and then some black pepper. Okay. Then you're gonna go ahead and combine everything together. And after combining everything, I'm going to let my chicken wing sit on my counter uncovered for 30 minutes. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my oven to 400 degrees. All right, we're gonna bake these chicken wings for 50 minutes. But first, in the first half, we're gonna go ahead and flip them. All right, 25 minutes. And this is how my chicken wings are looking. Guys, there's no need for you to use this many seasoning. But you know, we black people, we extra, we love to figure all out. You can just use your salt and pepper and garlic powder, onion powder, and the bacon powder, and just do it simple, you know. But yeah, this is the route I'm going today. All right, so I'm just gonna let this sit for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna turn my timer on and I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, stay tuned, stay right there. All right, guys, so I went ahead and preheat my oven to 400 degrees, and I have my baking pan here, my baking sheet. I just went ahead and had some foil paper to make cleaning up easy for me. So here I have some non-stick cooking spray. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray lightly. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken wings. All right, so for my flats, I won't put my flats like this. I will be turning my flats over like so, because after 25 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and flip. All right, so if I need to do any broiling or I want that extra crispiness, I want it to be on top. So that's the reason why I am doing it like that. so I just went ahead and placed my chicken wing on my baking sheet. I spread them out as best as I could, 5 in each row. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stick it in my oven for 25 minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and flip them and put them back in for another 25 minutes. So in total, that's 50 minutes these chicken wings will be baked for. All right. So after 25 minutes, this is how they're looking. I'm gonna go ahead and flip my wings. Flipping these wings, I'm gonna go ahead and stick them back in the oven to bake for another 25 minutes. Time to make the sauce, and these are all the ingredients you will need to make your sauce, and I will list the ingredients and measurement down below, guys, so check it out. All right, so here I'm gonna add honey to my pot. Next, I'm going to add about 1/3 of Sriracha sauce because I don't want it to be too hot. If you like your sauce hot, you can go ahead and use 1/2 cup. Ketchup, 1/3 of ketchup instead of 1/2 of Sriracha sauce, because I don't want it too hot. I want to be able to enjoy my wings. Next, I'm gonna add some white vinegar to my pot here, and then I'm going to add some sesame seeds. Lower my heat. I'm gonna go ahead and just combine everything together. So I'm just gonna steam this until everything just combined together well and you get that texture, a bit of a texture to it, a bit of a body to it. So yeah, I won't be doing this for long, just for a couple minutes. And that's how they came out. These wings. Tastes really good. I am very pleased. It is not crunchy, but if you want it crunchier, just go ahead and fry yours. So it's not crunchy, but the flavor, it's very moist, well cooked. The flavor is really nice. It's a nice balance, guys. It is not too hot. I can't even speak good. I need to take another bite. Yeah, well balanced. It's not hot. I can enjoy these wings. Not too hot. So go ahead and use 1/3 of the Sriracha sauce, like I told you. I don't know how to describe it. It's a bit sweet with the honey though, which is really nice. Not too sweet, and it has a little zing to it. with the paprika and the cayenne pepper plus the hot sauce, the sriracha. Man, dash it at the bone then. Mountain next piece. So I just pour it on here. So this side has sauce and this side doesn't, and that's okay with me. You can go ahead and mix everything up, but this is how I want to do it. So good, so good. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna enjoy these wings. Look at them for the last time before they go in my belly. Guys, you think this is torturous for you? It is not. It's more from me, because when I cook certain dish, I know what really tastes good when I make it, and when I go to edit the video or rewatch it, oh my god, it's like torturing myself. So once these are finished and I should look back at the video, I'm gonna be hurt.